What's up, guys? Rich here with LaytonSportsCards.com. We're ripping a box of 2013 Triple Threads Baseball. This is for John Evans. Good luck, John. Let's see what you got, buddy. All right. One pack. Okay, two from the back. We got a green David Ortiz, 24 of 250. Gio Gonzalez to 650. Babe Ruth, Prince Fielder, Felix Hernandez. Got a bat on-card auto, Devin Mesoraco, 53 of 75. After that, we have a very nice bat relic of Jim Rice, one of my all-time favorites. 7 of 27, Jim Rice bat relic. Very nice. Let's see what we got in pack number 2 here. Oh, nice. Black parallel, Dustin Pedroia. That is 8 of 50. Very nice. Purple parallel, Ian Kinsler to 650. Tom Glavine, Mike Mussina, R.A. Dickey. We have an auto relic of Willie Peralta, 27 of 75. And your last hit, jersey relic, Zach Greinke. That is 3 of 27. Zack Attack. Zack Attack. Jersey relic. That'll do it. Thanks, John E. We'll get those right out to you, buddy. Appreciate it, man.